Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Hey guys, welcome back to Howard's where my name is Howard. If you're new here, look down at the bottom of the video and subscribe, isn't me? And if you've been here before, you're part of the family, big up yourself. Thanks for coming back. Like from now and comment at any point in the video when you feel like you want to talk. So right now, my family are the road. I'm not sure where I go, to be honest. We're the road, low-key family road trip. Extended family have come as well. I'm just going to vlog because why not? Y'all know I'll make the day what I want it to be. So if you want to see what I go do, keep on watching.
And it's about 3 to 4 year old.
Yeah, because we're not 20 this year time.
I mean, we go hospital for time.
Right,
that's the
time
first
at
thing.
21.
We go hospital for time. We did that time it just about in January we get it down we go for it.
Right, so over 21 years now that.
What do you mean? I go for you to in a way.
Machine, you know. So quick update, guys. We are driving for long. Or reach daddy? Daddy, or reach? Spur tree.
No care where if the aisle wanted to come up on the dashboard.
Yeah. If you carry one oil, now come up on the dashboard. Anyways, guys, we are driving for long.
Until the cool off to determine for why, man. Come.
Daddy. Me a chance now.
The aisle ain't no finish run down in our engine yet.
So guys.
No, I'm ready. Careful. Don't make it like the vehicle is supposed to show lights and light.
Me updating when we reach. Just know me I drive for long. I'm up on the border of Manchester and St. Elizabeth now.
No, she said down. So down's about 20 minutes from
So far.
But she don't call you.
So I keep on going to places where the breeze are going bad. And I always end up next to the sea. Isn't me? Because I'm nature infused. I hope I said that right just a while ago. But yeah, we're there, a little Ochi. Or a little Ochi. Yo, me think of them cousin them, you know. Think of the drunk girl, crazy. So yeah, if I'm being honest, at this point I was just goofing around. I tried to get some cool shots, but people keep on walking at it. But yeah, it was pretty fun. Match my colors.
Big up Faith.
That's what they call it bright up.
HWC. Sharp. HWC. Same, sir.
This is Howard Drill, but I'm taking over right now, so yes, so this is my vlog. We're at Little Ochi right now. Look at the beach. Yep. It's cool and it's been a vibe. We're just here chilling. We don't get our food yet, but yep, we're just taking some pics, chilling out. This Faith, our photographer. And this is the original channel, but I'm taking over now, so anyways, so let's go back to Howard's Will.
And we're back. I don't have on any mask right now because I don't nowhere near people. Yeah, we just reached. But I take pictures because why not? Me not getting the food yet, but I am looking forward to the food because I love seafood. I can't eat shell food though, but I love seafood. By the way, if you made this far into the vlog, as usual, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. If you ever get a chance to make it to Little Ochi, it's a good drive though. Not even gonna lie, it's a good drive. I didn't vlog the journey mostly because I'm asleep. But update. Let me say what we can tell about the journey to get here. Yo, I genuinely just feel like taking off my shoes and going into the water. Like just because. Like being at the seaside makes everything just peaceful. Like you don't worry about your problems. You know, you just feel at peace. So go over IG and follow my cousin. She's a photographer. Tell them your IG page.
Shop by Faith.
Shop by Faith. I'll leave the link to her Insta in my description. So go over there, get some followers, like up our picture them, and reshare something if you like it. You see me? Big up on yourself. So yeah guys, I slept out the journey to get here, so I'll try to just show you more of the place just for makeup. Because I feel really bad because we want to show no. Like you know, there's a lot of things to see. First of all, Mandeville probably upon a world record for the amount of car marts. There's a car mart around every corner in Mandeville, like patty shop, literally. It was ridiculous. And then when we reach where you say? And then down this side, people do farming in front of them house and not behind them house. Just things I observed. People do farming in front of them house, and there's, I don't know, what they now? March now? I don't know why, but a base scallion me I see. Probably scallion price good, me don't know. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Yeah, me don't want to know. The price is more.
So guys, I might have to voice over someone because music I play. I don't want to get copyright. Some of the audio in the background. You see me? Music I play everywhere, so I might have to voice over some of it. But so far, good vibe. I wait for fish. Fry fish, because why not? I love fry fish. I don't like steam fish and them something them too hard to eat. But just hope they give me no festival. My mother picking fish for me. They did a vlog when she did when them did a choose. So mother picking fish for me. But let's hope she pick a good size. Cause I know she be going like she want to be stingy, you know. Most pick a good size. But just realize some of that talk really fast. But what me that say is I might have a voice over some of it because enough music I play in the background and YouTube pick up your audio. So we'll see. So
Like
fun fact, I hate cats, but why not? I know. Take a close up, my friend. Take a close up. No? When we get food, make it get some bone, dog. Chill out. We don't have food now. You want some beer? No? Alright, cool. Alright, so them still there. It's been like 5 minutes. So I lay him the one here, Sule, because him kinda clingy, you know? I named the one there Sule, and then the one there Askia. Because it's like him one there, but him suspicious. You see me? Him suspect something, like him feel like I'm gonna attack him. So Sule, the right side of me, and Askia pray what the thing. And then my brother, you see me? Them look brotherish. Come on, G. No? Man, turn back. Yo, look on the big ship. Man, turn back. Look on the big fish by the man's shoulder. You can call the man knows I'm not buying it. Man, turn back, brother. Guys, here's my little... I'm gonna close to me a show. Say hi, Zari. Say hi.
Hi. It didn't even recognize me.
Zari. I get a little feature, Zari. Come, the kids are getting a feature. Show them so they can give me a pull. Give me a pull, man. Let's see. No? Give it a smile. Nice smile. Give it a smile, no? Maji, give it a smile. Give it a smile. Yeah. One soldier.
Them man and a laugh.
Nah, give you a smile now. Give you a smile. Take a pull. Yo, take a pull now. Tito, take a pull. Alright. So go to them. Come on, give them a smile. Makes sense. Yeah.
The big swimmer around this way,
Yeah, man.
10 tons, man. Give him that back. So we deal with them, you know?
Update. We're waiting for the fish. Weird flex. It's been more than a minute. It's been like probably almost an hour. I don't know if I exaggerate, but it's been probably an hour. Hungry. I mean, let's see, nobody a move like, you know, like people that say, yo, I'm soon come. I'm not hear nothing like that, so. Just there, I see where we're going still. Money don't pay.
No, but that big one then. That big one then the fry.
The big one is supposed to fry. No, the big one is fry. Oh, I forget one. With other fried on it. With fried fish.
Ah, yes,
You
yes.
don't want to buy me on first paper.
One festival. Let's go.
What about the other fried fish?
And they are bunny cousin.
When they fried on it?
Yeah. Oh, Tassie. Oh, Tassie, man, they make both to the old fridge. Oh, Tassie. So yeah guys, it's kinda late now. As usual, the family member them sit down and chat down the whole time. I'm really tired, being exhausted, I wanna go home, kinda wanna sleep. Plus I have schoolwork to do. But hey, chatting comes first. Once I wrap up my work, I'll leave. Look at Ochi, nice, as I said, if I ever get a chance for forward, just make the trip because it's worth the drive. I'm good to go drive, but it's worth the drive. This is the end of the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. Look up on yourself, me gone.